Older women, here's the truth. Beauty starts from within. There are 3 secret vitamins that can instantly make you look younger, more radiant, and even more attractive. Stay with me until the very end, because the last one works like magic on aging skin. Before we dive into these incredible secrets, let's take a moment to understand what's truly happening beneath the surface of your skin as we beautifully age. Because embracing and understanding your body's journey is the most crucial first step to nurturing it with profound kindness and conscious intention. After the age of 60, our bodies, in their incredible wisdom, naturally begin to orchestrate several significant shifts. One of the most prominent changes involves a natural decline in the production of collagen and elastin. These aren't just fancy words. They are the essential proteins that form the very scaffolding of your skin, keeping it wonderfully firm, incredibly smooth, and beautifully lifted. As their presence diminishes, you might start to notice your skin feeling a little less taut, perhaps a gentle sagging here and there, the formation of those delicate fine lines, and a noticeable loss of that plump, youthful bounce you once knew. Furthermore, your skin tends to become thinner and consequently more fragile, struggling to hold on to moisture with the efficiency it once did. This explains why it may often feel dry, sometimes rough, or even annoyingly itchy, especially during those colder, drier months. Hormones, too, play a substantial and often overlooked role. As estrogen levels naturally dip during and after menopause, the blood flow to your skin inevitably slows down. Less circulation translates directly into fewer vital oxygen and essential nutrients being delivered to your hardworking skin cells, and this is precisely when that bothersome dullness can truly set in. However, here's a crucial insight that most people overlook. Skin aging isn't solely about the visible changes on the outside. The profound truth is, it's what's occurring inside your body that fundamentally makes all the difference. Every single day, your body is engaged in a silent battle against free radicals, those unstable molecules that wreak havoc by damaging cells and accelerating the aging process. When your body doesn't possess an adequate supply of antioxidants to counteract this, your skin struggles to defend itself. It loses its natural luminosity, becoming more susceptible to the very wrinkles, age spots, and that persistent tired look that you simply can't seem to shake off. But please, don't despair. This isn't a message of bad news. The wonderful truth is that once you understand precisely what your body truly needs to bravely fight back, you can initiate small, impactful changes that will breathe vibrant life back into your skin. And that, my dear, is exactly what we are about to unveil. Allow me to introduce you to Susan, a radiant woman of 67. She's retired, wonderfully active, and still brimming with an infectious zest for life. Susan adores spending her afternoons in her garden, cherishes her invigorating walks with her dear friends, and her Sundays are dedicated to delightful FaceTimes with her beloved grandkids. But over the last couple of years, Susan started noticing a subtle yet undeniable shift. When she peered into the mirror, she saw a version of herself that looked profoundly tired, not merely older, but truly, deeply tired. Her once bright, sparkling eyes seemed less defined. Her skin appeared pale and noticeably dry, even though she was faithfully using the same trusted face cream she had always relied upon. And her hair, it felt thinner, weaker, less like the vibrant hair she recognized as her own. Now Susan wasn't attempting to futilely chase her youth. She had no desire to look 30 again. What she truly craved was to feel radiant, to feel like herself, like the wonderfully vibrant, confident woman she undeniably still was on the inside. So, like many of us, she embarked on a quest. She purchased expensive serums, bravely tried those trending collagen drinks you often see plastered across Instagram, and even splurged on a luxurious facial for her birthday, hoping for a magical transformation. Yet, despite all her efforts and investment, nothing truly changed. Her skin remained stubbornly dry, her eyes still carried that tired look, and she found herself feeling increasingly frustrated. It was then, amidst her quiet exasperation, that Susan serendipitously ran into an old friend, a woman who happened to be a retired nutritionist. Over a comforting cup of coffee, Susan confided in her, articulating how she had been feeling, and her friend offered a profound insight that deeply resonated with her. "You're treating the outside, Susan, but the real, lasting change genuinely starts on the inside." Her wise friend went on to explain that as we gracefully age, our bodies naturally become less efficient at absorbing and effectively utilizing certain crucial nutrients, particularly those specific vitamins that directly influence the health and vitality of our skin, hair, and overall energy levels. She gently recommended a few key nutrients that, she explained, most women over 60 inadvertently find themselves missing. Susan, with a hopeful shrug, thought, "Why not?" and cautiously incorporated them into her daily routine. Nothing drastic, just a couple of small capsules each morning alongside her calming cup of tea. Approximately 6 weeks later, something truly unexpected began to unfold. Her neighbor, with genuine surprise, inquired if she had changed her skincare regimen. Her walking buddy, beaming, exclaimed, "You're absolutely glowing today. What on earth is your secret?" Susan, delighted, simply laughed. She hadn't altered her makeup or even her face cream. She had merely given her remarkable body the correct foundational tools it needed to perform its inherent magic. And that, my dear friends, is precisely the wisdom I am so eager to share with you today. The 3 powerful, often overlooked vitamins that helped Susan and countless other women just like her not only look but also feel years younger from the inside out. These aren't miracle pills promising instant youth. They are potent, natural nutrients that your incredible body instinctively knows how to utilize. You simply need to provide it with what it's quietly asking for. So, what does it truly mean to possess a youthful appearance? Is it merely about having fewer wrinkles or achieving smoother skin? Not entirely. True youthfulness, the kind that inspires genuine compliments like, "Wow, she's absolutely glowing," stems from a blend of fundamental factors. It's reflected in a healthy skin tone and vibrant texture, in bright, clear, sparkling eyes, in good posture and sustained energy, and in that unmistakable spark, a vibrancy that simply cannot be faked. And here's the profound truth. All of this, every single bit of it, originates at the cellular level. Every day, your body is an extraordinary workshop, tirelessly producing new skin cells, repairing any damaged ones, and diligently creating essential proteins like collagen and elastin, which provide your skin with its fundamental structure and resilience. However, as we age, this intricate and vital process naturally decelerates. Free radicals, those unstable molecules born from daily stress, environmental pollution, and even everyday sun exposure, begin to inflict damage upon your cells at a rate faster than your body can efficiently repair them. This is precisely where the unsung heroes, antioxidants, and micronutrients step in to become your body's most devoted best friends. They act like diligent tiny soldiers, courageously defending your skin from pervasive damage, accelerating its internal repair mechanisms, and powerfully supporting healthy new growth from the very core of your being outward. Consider it this way. If your skin is a lush, thriving garden, then these crucial vitamins are its life-giving sunlight and essential water. You simply cannot expect vibrant flowers to bloom if the soil is parched, barren, and utterly devoid of proper nourishment. When your body is equipped with these correct foundational building blocks, it gains the profound ability to restore deep hydration, meticulously repair connective tissue, significantly improve circulation, and even precisely regulate pigmentation. That, my friends, is what truly creates that firm, dewy, irresistibly glowing appearance we so often associate with the beautiful essence of youth. And here's the genuinely exciting part. Some of the most powerful vitamins for supporting this transformative process are precisely the ones that most women over 60 simply aren't getting enough of. They aren't the ubiquitous, commonly discussed vitamins you hear about every single day, but they are extensively studied, thoroughly researched, and unequivocally, they work. In just a moment, I am going to carefully walk you through 3 of these remarkable vitamins, explaining exactly what they do, how their powerful mechanisms work within your body, and most importantly, how you can begin incorporating them into your daily life today to start witnessing real, tangible results. Let's begin with a vitamin that almost no one truly highlights when the conversation turns to skin health, vitamin K2. It's absolutely crucial to understand that this is not the same as vitamin K1, which is primarily known for its role in blood clotting. K2 possesses a distinct and incredibly powerful purpose, especially when we talk about maintaining a youthful appearance. Vitamin K2 acts like a masterful conductor, diligently helping to direct calcium to the precisely right places in your body, such as your bones, where it's desperately needed, and crucially, keeping it out of the wrong places, like your arteries and indeed your skin. When calcium improperly accumulates in tissues where it doesn't belong, it invariably makes them stiff, brittle, and significantly older looking. Scientific studies compellingly demonstrate that vitamin K2 can profoundly improve skin elasticity, noticeably reduce the appearance of fine wrinkles, and even foster a smoother, more undeniably youthful skin texture. Beyond that, it vigorously supports healthy circulation, which directly translates to a richer supply of essential nutrients reaching your precious skin cells. Some pioneering researchers even theorize that K2 may play a significant role in slowing down the internal aging process of various tissues throughout the body. Now, here lies a common challenge. Vitamin K2 is primarily found in fermented foods, like natto, a traditional Japanese soybean dish that, well, let's just say it's an acquired taste for most palates. You can also derive K2 from grass-fed dairy products, hard cheeses such as Gouda, and rich egg yolks. However, obtaining a sufficient amount from diet alone can be quite difficult for many. This is precisely why a growing number of women over 60 are confidently turning to a K2 supplement, particularly the highly absorbable form known as MK7, which boasts a longer duration in the body. If your goal is to achieve firmer, more resilient skin, enhance your bone health, and significantly improve your overall circulation, vitamin K2 is undeniably one of the most overlooked yet remarkably powerful vitamins you can choose to integrate into your daily regimen. Next up, allow me to introduce you to a vibrant little nutrient